So we have some adjustment in our jail ministry today, because today is we will start to have our ministry at 10 o'clock, and then until 12 o'clock. So compare from previous schedule, it's in the afternoon.
Kanta bago tayo magsimula. Gamit ang ating iniliit. Okay, pagsalaglag po. Okay. Okay, ready, get set, go!
He is the caretaker of this pineapple. Bawaiti. So usually when I work here in the sanctuary, these cats are with me. Better to have one companion than to be alone here. Followers. 2 followers. Loyal followers.
Kahit na nagpapatotoo ay totoo. Hindi alam dahil alam ko